The best way to pass a lead-safe inspection is to schedule a pre-inspection with the lead paint detectives. A pre-inspection consists of a visual examination on the outside and inside of a property unit. Our preliminary maintenance report helps landlords understand as to what needs to be addressed. Our goal is to help landlords understand the process and take the next steps to pass the clearance examination and get certified. The preliminary evaluation of the property, both exterior and interior, as it relates to the actual inspection criteria, will provide the owner with a checklist of items requiring specific attention and/or correction prior to the actual lead-safe inspection. All discrepancies will be identified by the inspector, and possible remedial action on the part of the owner will be discussed. Inspectors look for deteriorating paint on the exterior and interior of your property unit. Deteriorated paint means any interior or exterior paint or other coating that, through visual assessment, is found to be peeling, chipping, crazing, flaking, abrading, chalking, cracking, or any paint or coating located on an interior or exterior surface of a fixture that is otherwise damaged or separated from the substrate, or a chewable surface that contains visual signs of chewing. Do you have deteriorating paint on the exterior or interior of your property unit? Here's an example of chipping paint. This is an example of crazing paint. Here is an example of flaking paint. This is an example of abraded paint. And this is an example of cracking paint. As inspectors, we look for potential soil hazards within the drip line of your property. The drip line means the area within 3 feet surrounding the whole perimeter of your property unit, not just the sides that have gutters. Impermanent surface coverings may be used to isolate lead-contaminated soil or bare soil if applied in accordance with the following requirements. Acceptable impermanent coverings include gravel, bark, and sod. Impermanent surface coverings selected shall be designed to withstand the reasonably expected traffic. For example, if the area to be treated is heavily traveled, neither grass nor sod shall be used. When loose impermanent surface coverings such as bark or gravel are used, they shall be applied in the thickness of not less than 6 inches deep. Adequate controls to prevent erosion shall be used in conjunction with impermanent surface coverings. On the interior of a property unit, we look for deteriorated paint on windows and walls. We also look at the floor for deteriorated hardwood, carpet, or vinyl. A visual inspection is also performed under sinks and looking at the back of cabinets. This is to confirm the backings are intact and plumbing changes haven't released lead paint or lead paint dust. At the end of the visual inspection, the inspector will provide you with a maintenance report for any items that need to be addressed. These items must be addressed to pass the visual inspection and to start a dust wipe test. At the leadpaintdetectives.com, you can also get a 2-page brochure explaining the basics on how to prepare for an inspection, including painting and cleaning. The best way to pass a visual inspection, a dust wipe inspection, or a full lead-safe inspection is to schedule a pre-inspection with the Lead Paint Detectives. Go to leadpaintdetectives.com now and schedule your appointment. Ask questions, make comments, like, subscribe to my channel, or go to leadpaintdetectives.com for more lead-safe resources.